I've seen so many leaders in my career. Their definition of being a good leader is, I'm gonna buy boxes of pizza on a Friday afternoon because it's what my people want. And fine, you can buy all the boxes of pizza that you want, but maybe that's not the love language of your people. Your people is asking for what? I need 30-minute coaching. I need more time. I need you, boss, to tell me if I'm doing a good job. So if I did a good presentation, please say, congratulations, good job. And some leaders find it corny. It's not who I am. I find it corny to say, congratulations, good job, amazing. But that is being selfish because that may not be your love language, but it is their love language. So sometimes you might want to adjust. You might want to be the one to tell it to them, even if you don't feel it's important, because it matters to them. That is diversity. That is adjusting.